My name is Darshan Bhegade and I'm associated with Maitreya Trans Solutions. So the journey began in 2001, the first bus that my dad bought, and after that slowly one by one we've come around 250 to 300 buses, and amongst them we've got 90% of Tata, which will be around 180 to 200 buses of Tata. So the main reason for us to choose Tata is obviously because of the reliability that it provides, and of course the service. We had purchased AMC last year, around last year, and it has been quite handy for us. Not just because of the service, but also because it's quite cost friendly. And even if when it comes to the maintenance, when we give the bus to the service team, they've got separate two bays just for the AMC buses, which does not take a lot of time for servicing. Like, you leave the bus and they'll first give the priority to the buses that have AMCs, and AMC also includes quite a lot of the parts of the bus, which is really helpful as it drops a lot of charges that we would have to pay when we do it subscription wise. So it's been a year now since we've been using AMC, and we look further to keep on continuing this package that we've got going on right now, as it comes in really handy and really helpful for us for the maintenance and for the availability of parts and the quicker service that we get through AMC, due to which our vehicles are not held in the service station. It's just done very quickly and back on the road immediately. And yes, I would obviously suggest to a lot of people who have Tata vehicles to obviously go for AMC, and who do not have, please consider it, as it's really amazing and really comfortable, reliable and amazing with the service and the sales.